What's going on? Jake here with Uncommon EDC, and today I'm checking out the Going Gear EDC Club Premium subscription for July of 2022. This is obviously super late, and there's a couple reasons for that. So my original package actually got lost in the mail, and so I reached out to Going Gear. I hadn't gotten the shipping number or anything like that. I just saw that a lot of people already had their videos up online. I hadn't received mine. I hadn't received a tracking number. A week had passed. And so I reached out and they mentioned that they had shipped it. Unfortunately, it got lost in the mail and they would ship out a replacement. And so, unfortunate, I guess that's the post office's fault. You know, I didn't have the tracking number to confirm that, but I take them at their word. But unfortunate, but they replaced it, and you know, that's all you can really ask for. Unfortunately, when it arrived in this envelope, which is the standard subscription. So there's two tiers to Going Gear EDC Club, $60, which comes in this envelope, and the $200 premium version, which comes in a green box that you've probably seen in previous videos. And so I was pretty sure I got the wrong one, opened it to confirm, and can confirm I got the packing list that has the items for the standard subscription and only the items for the standard subscription, no premium items, so it's not listed on there. So I reached out again and they got the items shipped out. So really unfortunate, you know, the shipping the wrong one was obviously Going Gear's fault. I don't know that I fault them too much because I reached out to customer service, they made it right away, and I guess that's all you can really ask for. Still a kind of frustrating situation, super late. Again, the August box is probably going to ship out in the next couple days, so really late on this. But I mean, I have everything now, so can't complain too much. But let's go through all of the items in order of the content list here. So first up, we have the KeyBar Jr. This is a titanium key keeper. Pretty excited to check this out. I have an Orbit key that I used in the past. I use a quiet carry right now. Never used a KeyBar, so excited to check this out. And I'm excited to this titanium because I can anodize this. So we'll definitely be checking that out. It says it holds 4 to 5 keys, which I only carry a couple keys anyway. I try to keep my keychain pretty minimal. And they have this listed at $22.95. So again, pretty excited to check this out. Good kind of EDC item to include and in the standard subscription. Next up is another item from KeyBar. This is the Magnut and the small size at $12.95. And so this is just a magnetic little keychain keeper, so you can put something on both ends, and if you want to separate it out, you can just separate it, and it's a magnet and you can pull it apart. And so you can use that to either, you know, keep the key ring on your backpack and magnet it and pull it off whenever you want, or if there's portions of your keys that you don't always carry, you can use it to keep them together and then separate it when you only want to carry one portion of the keychain or the other. So pretty cool to see that as well. I have a couple of different ones of these, obviously none from KeyBar, but I do have some other ones of these and they're always really helpful. So again, that's listed at $12.95. And next up, we have the Exotac TinderZip. And so these are just zipper pulls with Tinder inside. So basically you can cut them open and they're basically just paracord with the inner lining has some flammable material and it's water resistant. So you cut it open and fluff them up and they should take a spark. So pretty cool to see those. And these are reusable. They sell this paracord. I have some in orange, not black, but I have some orange paracord that has the flammable core. So you can replace these, and the zipper pulls themselves, these just snap open. So you can make them yourselves or fix these if you end up using them. And I believe it said somewhere that there were 5 of them, I want to say. Oh yeah, right here. Each pack includes 5 pieces. So pretty cool to see those in there, and listed at only $9. I think that's a pretty fair price. You could probably make them for about the same price and have a bunch of leftover paracord, but these ones come pre-assembled, which is again nice and don't have to do anything. And so that's the third item in the standard box. The last item is the QSP Penguin at $32.66, model number QS130i. So this is obviously a pretty common EDC knife, one of the great budget knives. I have a QSP Penguin in Mokutai, but this is my first kind of like standard, I guess, QSP. So excited to see that in here. Comes with a nice black linen micarta scales. Has a nice texture to them. They're pretty grippy. D2 steel. I'll do a video on this, probably the next video actually that I do will probably be on this one, and followed by the premium item. I'm in the middle of the move, so most of my stuff has been shipping to the new house, and I don't have it here for a video, and I've already moved most of my gear, so I'll have very limited items here to do videos on, so most of my next couple videos will be stuff from this video that I'm doing a full review. So we'll do a full review of this shortly, but pretty cool to see in there. Again, a really common EDC knife, a great budget knife at $32.66, and so excited to get kind of a standard model of this. Again, I have the Mokutai version, but feels a lot different obviously than this version, so excited to see that in the box. So I think that was the standard content. Obviously, because I got the standard box first, it doesn't list the premium item, but I do have the premium item as well. I think a really strong month for the standard subscription. You get a really nice EDC knife, some key gear for your keychain, as well as the Tinder zipper pulls, and I think just kind of a really nice well-rounded box at that $60 price point. Again, so $22.95, or $12.95, so we're at $36.45 with the $9 Tinder zip, and then $77.66, so about $78 to overall on a $60 purchase. So pretty good value there, and really good items. So sometimes the value's there, but you just don't like one of the items. I feel like all really solid items. If anything, I could probably live without the TinderZip, but I mean, it doesn't hurt to have those in there, and they're not super expensive. So I'll definitely find a use for those. Now, for the premium item, which again isn't listed, we got the Bestech Ghost. And this isn't listed on Going Gear's website, funnily enough, so I don't know the exact price that they would have put on here, but it's around $200. I've seen it from $192 to $208 or so when I shopped around, so around $200. So the price of the premium box, meaning that you pretty much get everything in the standard box for free. So pretty cool knife as well. I have a few Bestechs, wasn't really familiar with the Ghost, and just a really nice looking knife. Get a cool and interesting sticker for that. And the knife itself is carbon fiber, and it is a flipper tab. Really kind of unique and interesting design. Kind of got a sci-fi look, and really like the design of it, really like the action on it. Super cool knife. And again, this will probably be the next video after that QSP Penguin, and then I'll get back to kind of regular content because I'll be finished with my move by the time this one goes up. But super cool item for the premium, really cool knife. I like the shredded carbon fiber. I'm not a huge fan of just kind of standard carbon fiber, but I do like this shredded carbon fiber look quite a bit, and overall blade shape action on this is great. So really cool knife to see in the box. So overall, I think both the standard and premium had really strong showings this month. Really cool items across the board. Nothing I really hate. Again, if anything, the Tinder zips I could live without, but they were really just a throw in anyway. But let me know what you think of this month's box down in the comments below. Hopefully the August one will ship with no issues, and we'll have that video coming up pretty soon. But thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And as always, I hope you have a great one. Take care.